everybody, it's Mindy, and this is part 2 of the fantastic Fansells finds. I told you I'd be back with more from Fansells, right? Fansells is quite generous. We've worked together for a while. They're quite generous, and I get quite a few things from them. So I usually split it up into a couple different videos. Are you ready to see this? Can you tell what that is? Can you tell what that is already? I bet you can tell. I bet you can tell. It's super cute. All right, let's go with this cute little bag first. Fun things come in little bags, right? So this is a keychain. Has a little bell. Can you hear it? That goes on this little keychain. Everything's there that you'll need to hook up to your keychain. And here's all your goods in here. Here's the goods. All right, let's open it up. What do we got? What do we got? You can already tell. I know you already saw it. You're not fooling me. I know you saw it. He's double-sided. He's cute. Oh, drills are pretty easy. So he's a little gnome. Got a little hole right here in his hat. Dingle, dingle, dingle. So he can dangle from your keychain. He is double-sided, red, white, and blue. Oh, look at how bright that side is, and look how not bright that side is. That's okay. It won't matter when you put the drills on him, right? Anyhow, that's him, and he's just got red, blue, white, and brown. That's his colors. That's for his nose. He's cute. I've done one of those. They're fun to do. They're a fun little project. Okay, are you ready for this? Are you ready? Don't laugh too loud. Don't laugh too loud. It's super adorable. I could not resist. Who can resist a cat in a chicken hat? I mean, come on. I could not resist. I know I did a cat. I did one of the cats. I don't remember what it was. A cat in a cowboy hat, right? I can't resist. So stinking cute. The cat does not look happy about it, does he? But look at even the string on the chicken hat. His feet, chicken feet. They look more like duck feet, but they're supposed to be chicken feet. But anyhow, so cute. Look at all the special drills. All these 9s are going to be special drills. The 10s are all special drills. There's still a lot of rhinestones. Don't get me wrong, but look at the little beak. See, now, here's the weird thing. It is a chicken because of the comb. Ducks don't have combs like that, but that looks like a duck bill and duck feet. I don't know. We got some mixed up critter here. Oh, goodness. How many drills does this have? It has 10. Yep, 10 different things go on here. Let's see. That cat is not happy. Look, he's kind of cross-eyed. He's like, oh. I just laughed and laughed and laughed. Oh boy. Okay, here we go. You ready? Let's roll through them. We have clear rhinestones, golden color rhinestones, peachy, pinky rhinestone, red. There's the comb. Brown, a light brown, orange color. Another like brownish color. Another, I don't know. What color is that? I don't know. Champagne-y color. Here's our specials. A bunch of iridescent rounds. That's for the hat. And then a bunch of green marquees. Those are iridescent as well. So picking up all the colors and stuff. That's going to be around the outside of the kitty. The unhappy kitty cat. He's cute. He's so cute. All right. Had to do it. You guys had to do it. All right. This one's really pretty. This one's super pretty. The butterfly. This is not drilled. The green, the house, the sky gets no drills. But the flowers, all these roses get rhinestones. The butterfly gets a lot of different colors. Look at the big hearts. They're going to go here. Some marquees for the body. And some more marquees around the wings. Centers for the flowers. So we got some fun stuff. We got 13 different drills for that one. I think that one's super pretty. I've been into the special drill butterfly ones lately. I don't know. Do you like butterflies? I think they turn out beautiful in special drills. I believe I have some more over here. So hold on. If you like butterflies, hold on. Okay. Oh, where are we at here? Where's our beginning? Here's our beginning. Okay. We're backwards and upside down. Look, let's start with black AB. Okay, so all of this around the butterfly is all going to be the black AB. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? That's going to be so pretty. Then we have some red, some yellow, blue, light pink for our roses, a darker pink for our roses, yellow, red. What color are you? Kind of a pink. All right. Oh, seriously? Hang on. Okay, we got to see these. Got to flip these the other way. Wow, I've never had these. These are cool. I mean, I've had flowers before, but I have not had pink flowers like those. They're almost metallic looking. Those are awesome. They're going to go in the centers of our roses. That's cool. Those are neat. I like those. See, whenever you find something new, that is the fun thing about this, is finding something new. Some red marquee. We have hearts, pink hearts. Those are big pink hearts too. And look at those big green marquee. Love it. That's for that body. Gotta have the butterfly's body. Those roses are nifty though. Those are cool. I like those. Wow. Fun, right? Love it. Okay. So that one will be really fun to do. All right. Couple more here. Couple more. Like I said, it's a butterfly kind of day. More butterflies. Well, maybe it's a moth, because this would be a lantern lit up at night. So this is like a moth to the flame. I think it's a moth. So in the background, all of this color is so pretty. None of it gets drills except for these spots that you'll see. Got specials along the top, in the butterfly, in the leaves, all these little speckles. It's pretty cool. This one only has 8 different drills, but it's going to be so cool. I love it. So colorful. I love this one. I mean, I said that about all of them, haven't I? I guess that's why I picked them out. I love them. I hope you love them too. And if you love them as much as I do, I will link them below and you can go find them for yourself, right? That is the point, right? Okay, we have some beautiful green rhinestones, a pink, a brownish color, a goldish brown color, yellowy gold. Here's our specials. So we have yellow marquee, very pretty. We have red smooth. That's going to go all in that background, all those spots that we saw. And green marquee. Love it. Beautiful. Woo. So there's only 3 specials. Was it just 6, 7, and 8? 6, 7, and 8. Yep. 6, 7, and 8. Yep. Okay. I think it's nifty though. I think it's cool. All right. Let's put that one aside. We got one more. One more. I told you. Butterflies. There's a whole bunch of these, you guys. And I don't know if I've repeated or not. I may have repeated. I don't know. If I did, it's okay. Anything that I get that's a duplicate, I just put into my giveaway box. But this one's pretty cool. Big specials here and on the butterfly's wings. More specials down here. Specials in the leaves. Looks like there's probably 4 of them. 6, 7, 8, and 9. That's not bad. Out of 9 different drills, 4 of them are specials, right? I love it when you get a lot of special drills. It just makes them so cool. All right, I'm going to try to do this before I sneeze. Feel a sneeze coming on. All right, here we go. Trying to avoid it. All right, green rhinestones, 1 pink and 2 pink. I believe these are dogwoods or roses. See, at first I thought they were dogwoods, but then I see thorns. So maybe they're just a different type of a rose, because there's roses that are like more like a peony rose with all the petals, and then there's roses that are just more single petal, you know what I mean? So they might be roses. The thorns would indicate they probably are, but a brownish color, a gold, and then here's the specials. So we have green marquee that goes on the leaves. We have these little guys. The crystals are on the bottom, the golds are on the top, right? And where do those go? Do they go on him? Where do they go? Let's see. It is 7. Where's 7? Where? Oh, wow, I missed those. Wow, they go all around here. All around each of the centers of the flowers. I missed those. Okay. There's the 7s. And then the 8s are these big, oh, they're smooth. These big, smooth gold ones. Those are cool. And then some little pearly teardrops. That's what I'm trying to say, teardrops. Love those. Well, that's what you get, folks. That's it. So, I mean, we got butterflies today. We got butterflies, we got butterflies, we got butterflies, and more butterflies, right? All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. Like I said, they will be linked below. I hope you found something you like. Let me know what you like, okay? It really helps me when I find things to show you guys. I kind of have an idea what you like to look at. So, there you have it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you come back and see more stuff soon. And I hope you all have a great day. I will talk with you soon. Bye, everybody.